how to solve the complex equation. Before going to start this exercise, I will give you the basic concept, general form of complex equation. Now look at here. Complex number is indicated by letter Z. Okay, it is indicated by letter Z. Then expression of complex number is a plus bi or x plus yi. Okay, this is the general form of complex number. Okay, then z equals to, you can write x plus yi. Okay, now this x and y are real numbers. Okay, these are real numbers. Okay, x and y are real number, and x itself is called real parts. This is real parts because the complex number is the combination of two parts. Complex number are the combination of two parts. This is first called real, and this second with I. Okay, without I, x and y are real numbers. With I, the second one is called imaginary parts. Okay, x is called real parts of complex number. Okay, then yi. Okay, yi called imaginary part of complex number. Okay, now complex number is the sum of real parts and the imaginary parts. X and y without I are called real numbers. Okay, without I are called real numbers. Then this first part is called real parts, then second parts with I. Second part with I called imaginary parts. Okay, while solving the equation, we will equate the real and imaginary part, then we will get the value of variable. Okay, now I will explain by solving the equations. Okay, question number 1, exercise 9, equation number 1 is easy, but I will show you one example. Okay, question asks to find r plus s according to your textbook. R minus s, r multiply s, and r divide s. Okay, now value of r and s given. I will show you one example. Question number 1, 5. Okay, I will show you one example. Question number 1, 5. 7 plus 3i, 3i minus 7. Okay, question is question number 1, sub question 5. 7 plus 3i, then 3i minus 7. 3i minus 7. Okay. Now question asks to find. Question asks to find r plus s, r minus s, r multiply s, r divided by s. These are the problem to solve. Question asks to find the value for all these expressions. Then this first number represents r and second number represents s. Okay, let's find the value of r and s. Value of r is 7 plus 3i. Then value of s is 3i minus 7. And while you are expressing cost, write the real part and second imaginary part. That's why I'm going to change their place. Minus 7 plus 3i. Okay? Because while you writing the complex number, first is real part and second is imaginary parts. Okay, now first one, question asks to find r plus s. Then r plus s is equals to r, substitute the value of r, 7 plus 3i, then plus substitute the value of s, minus 7 plus 3i. Then minus 7 plus 7, minus 7, sorry, plus 7 and minus 7, plus 7 minus 7, their sum is 0. 0 plus 3i plus 3i, 6i. Okay. Now similarly get r minus s, substitute the value of r, 7 plus 3i, then minus substitute the value of s, minus 7 plus 3i. Now open this bracket, multiply with this minus sign, then 7 plus 3i minus plus 7 minus plus minus 3i. Now give the sum of like term, 7 plus 7 14, 3 minus 3 0, that means 14 plus 0i. Okay, otherwise you can write simply 14. And this expression comes imaginary, purely imaginary, because there is a real part is 0. Purely imaginary, and this expression comes purely real because imaginary part is 0. Okay. Now r multiplies. Substitute the value of r. Value of r is 7 plus 3i. Then multiply s. Value of s is minus 7 plus 3i. Minus 7 plus 3i. Okay. Now give the product. 7 sevens are minus 49 because plus minus is minus. 7 threes are 21i, then plus minus minus. 3 sevens are 21i, then plus into plus plus. 3 threes are 9, I into I square. Then this plus 21i and minus 21i, their sum is 0. Okay, then what is the value of I square? Value of I square means minus 1. Value of I square means minus 1. Now this is minus 49 plus 9. Then in place of I square, substitute its value is minus 1. Now this is minus 49 minus 9, and this is 1858 minus 15. Now this expression again comes purely real. There is no I parts. Okay, if there is no I parts, then it's expression is called purely real expression or real parts. Now r divided by s is there. Okay, let me write the board first. Now question asks to find r divided by s. R divided by s, value of r. This is the value of r. 7 plus 3i. Then value of s is minus 7 plus 3i. Okay. Now to simplify this kind of expression, we have to do rationalizing of denominator. What we learned in the lower classes, class 9, because in the real number we learned there how to rationalize the denominator. Same concept will be used to rationalize the denominator here. Okay. And before going to do, I will show you one formula of complex formula. Look at here, a plus bi multiply a minus bi. According to algebraic identities, a plus b minus b equals to what? A plus b a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Now this is a square minus b square I square. Then what is the value of I square? What is the value of I square? What is the value of I square? We did there. I square equals to 1. Okay, remember this is a property of imaginary number or complex number. I square means minus 1. Now replace this I square by minus 1. Now this is a square minus b square in place of I square is minus 1, and now this is a square plus b square. Remember, in complex a plus b, a minus b equals to a square plus b square. Now remember, this is a formula. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, according to the algebraic identities, after simplifying we got a square plus b square. That means in complex numbers, look at here now, x plus iy multiplied x minus iy equals to, you can write directly, I square plus a square plus b square, or x square plus y square, according to this formula. Okay, according to this formula. Now we are going to do rationalizing of this one. We already learned in the lower classes. We will use the same concept to do rationalizing. Okay, r divided by s equals to 7 plus 3i divided by minus 7 plus 3i. Okay, now rationalizing minus 7 minus 3i divided by minus 7 minus 3i. You know, if you are doing the rationalizing of denominator, write the numbers same, but they are different by the sign. Okay, what sign is there? Plus. Now factor is minus. Now put the bracket. Now multiply it. You know how to get the product. Plus minus minus, 7 sevens are 49. Plus minus minus, 7 threes are 21i. Plus minus minus, 3 sevens are 21i. Plus minus minus. Plus minus minus, 3 threes are 9i square. Now denominator, we use this concept. Denominator, we use this formula. A plus b, a minus b equals to a square plus b square. That means in place of a, what we have? Minus 7 a square plus b square, 3b square. Now this is equals to, we get the sum of like term. This is minus 49 and this is minus how much? 42i. Then I square means minus 1. I square means minus 1, and this minus 1 and this minus 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 plus 9 divided by 7 sevens are 49 plus 9. Now this is equals to, get the like term. Okay, minus 49 plus 9, their sum is how much? Minus 40 plus minus j. Okay, then minus 42i. Minus 42i divided by their sum is 58. Okay. Now separate the denominator. When you are writing the complex number, you have to write the complex number in the form of real and imaginary parts separately. Okay, don't put their common denominator, separate it. Now minus 40 divided by 58, then minus 42i divided by 58. If there is any common factor, you can cancel it. This is minus 20 by 29 and minus 21 by 29. Now this is the value for r divided by s. Okay, for r divided by s, if you want to remove the complex number from denominator, always do rationalizing. For any expression, always try to remove the complex number from denominator. Okay. Now we will going to do now next question, question number 2. We put that in the beginning of the board. Question number 2 sub question 2. Okay, question number 2 sub question 2. Question number 2 sub question 2. Question number 2 sub question 2. X plus yi minus 7 plus 4i equals to 3 minus 5i. Now question asks to find the real value of x and y from these given expressions. Okay, question asks to find the real value of x and y from this given expression. Now first simplify this one. Okay, simplify this expression and we will compare the real and we equate the real and imaginary parts separately to solve this kind of equation. Now let me do it. X plus yi minus plus minus 7 minus plus minus 4i equals to 3 minus 5i. Okay. Now let's together the real and imaginary. Real means the numbers without I are called reals. The numbers with I are called imaginary. Okay. Let's together the real and imaginary. Now real part is x plus 7, then plus yi minus 4 equals to 3 minus 5i. Okay, take their I common. X plus 7 plus, let's take I common, y minus 4, take I common, equals to 3 minus 5i. Now we simplify the left hand side, real, imaginary, and right hand side, real, imaginary. Now we will equate the real to real and imaginary to imaginary. Okay. Equating real and imaginary parts. Okay. Now this is the real to real, imaginary to imaginary. Okay. Real parts, what is there? X plus 7 equals to 3, and imaginary parts y minus 4 equals to minus 5. Okay, if you want to write it with the I, you can write it. Then this I get cancel. Okay, otherwise you can write the expression coefficient of I only without writing I. Okay, write the coefficient of I from here and coefficient of I from there. If you want to write the whole terms, you can write it, then cancel the I. Okay. Now from here, x is equals to how much? Take this 7 to right side, this is minus 4. Then y equals to take this minus 4 to right side, y equals to minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4, y equals to minus 1. This way, we have to solve the complex equation to get the real value of variables. Okay. Okay, now let me do one more questions. Question number 3 sub question 3. Okay, question number 3 sub question 3. Question number 3 sub question 3. Question number 3 sub question 3, 3 minus I. Question number 3 sub question 3. Okay, 3 minus I. Question asks to find the conjugate and reciprocal. Okay. Question asks to find the conjugate and reciprocal. Okay, I will give you concept what is conjugate and we will solve these questions. Conjugate of z equals to z. Okay, this is the conjugate. Okay, conjugate of complex number z is equals to z bar. Suppose z equals to a plus I. Then how do you get the conjugate? To find the conjugate of this z equals to a minus ib. That means change the sign of imaginary part. Okay, conjugate means change the sign of imaginary parts. Okay. Otherwise, you can do like this also. Conjugate bar you can put the here also. Then next line just a minus ib you can do like this also. Okay. Then what is the conjugate? Conjugate means changing sign of imaginary part. Okay, imaginary part. What is there? Complex z is equals to a plus I. Then conjugate of this complex z is z bar. That means a plus I bar. That means it is equals to a minus I. That means we are changing the sign of imaginary parts. Suppose z equals to 2 minus 3i. Then what is the conjugate of this one? Conjugate of this one is 2. What is sign is there? Plus. Now it changed to minus sign is there. Minus sign is there. Now it's changed to plus 3i. What is conjugate? How to get a conjugate? Conjugate means changing the sign of imaginary part, not real parts. Okay, changing the sign of imaginary part. Now let's solve these questions. Consider z equals to 3 minus I. Then conjugate of z equals to z bar, and that means 3 minus I bar, and this is 3. Now change the sign of imaginary part. Minus is there and minus change to plus I. This is called conjugate. Okay. Then question asks to find reciprocal. Question asks to find the reciprocal. Now let's do the reciprocal. What is conjugate of complex number? Changing the sign of imaginary part. Okay, reciprocal. Reciprocal of z equals to 1 upon z. Reciprocal. Then substitute the value of z here. Value of z is 3 minus I. Okay, don't leave the complex number in denominator, and to remove the complex form from the denominator, always do rationalizing. Okay, always do rationalizing. Now we are doing the rationalizing. 3 plus I, 3 plus I. Now this is equals to 3 plus I divided by a minus a plus b. According to the complex form, a minus b plus b equals to a square plus b square. The number is 1 is there is 1. That means 3 square plus 1 square. Now this is 3 plus I divided by, this is 4 plus 1. Now this is equals to 3 plus I divided by 3 plus 5 divided by too much mistake. Okay, 3 plus I divided by, how much is there? 5. Now separate the denominator. Okay, separate the dividend, then this is equals to 3 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 I. Okay, this way we have to separate the complex number. Why are we separating? Because we have to write separately real and imaginary part. Okay. Now, after going through this video, try to solve other questions from exercise 9b. Do the base questions of question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. And we will meet in next video. We will do the continue for question number 4 from next video. Till there, take care, stay at home. If you have any doubt, please WhatsApp me. Okay. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.